serves as a unifying figure in the wasteland that was published in 1922, who bridges the gap between the ancient and modern world. Direction transforms to reach out to objectives in the modern world. Direction becomes how he has passed among the lowest of the world. There has established his connection with the lost access which have been renters and seen by actually the figure of Tiresias and his relations has been in classical literature recently, and I think that most of you have known about that the Tiresias word function as the narrator in the West land, and he has made a gap between ancient and modern. So basically, this is about Tiresias, but there is one space which has not been touched. I think most of the scholars, that is his dilemma, the dilemma of his body and mind. The dilemma of his body and mind, because when he transferred from one sex to another sex, his mind was changing, but his body was the same, and that's why mind was accepting new challenges of the new atmosphere, but body was not responding according to the mind, and that's why there was a conflict between his mind and body. So I think that this was his dilemma, and by taking this dilemma, I have tried to hypothesis my dissertation, in which I have tried to show that how just as the conflict between Tiresias' body and mind, there is a conflict between his mind and body. Similarly, the early American narratives, they also had the conflict of past and present. When they talk about the America, they never escape from recalling the history. And that's why I think that in the early American narratives, to whom I have selected, like Washington in the Stage 12, from there I have taken two stories, Rick Van Winkle's and Legend of Sleepy Hollow, and James Stamina Cooper, The Last of the Mohicans, Nathalie Martin, The Scarlet Letter, and Herman Melville's Moby Dick. These narratives, while they are talking about the New England or America, they never escape from the past, their past. Because when the European came in America, they settled there, they wanted to create a history. Because the history which was there in America, they erased that, and they wanted to develop a history that was based on the Jerusalem, the idea